This is the OPPO A17, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So first step that you need to take is to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, if you have SIM cards installed of course. Then swipe downwards from the top part of your display and open the notification panel and control center. Find the nearby shortcut among available ones, then touch and hold onto its icon. Then once at the nearby share page, first of all you gotta add or verify the phone number through Google. Then turn on the actual use nearby share function toggle. Then you'll be able to rename the device if you would like to. I'll rename it to HardReset.Info. Then you can change the device visibility mode from hidden to context to everyone. I'll set it to be visible to anybody who will be in range, so it's just will be quicker to show you whether the feature works or not. Then you can also manage the data mode. You can set the files to be sent and received through mobile data, Wi-Fi, or without an internet, which means through Bluetooth. So now, once the nearby share function is active, let me quickly show how well it works. So I'll take this Nokia phone I have and try to send something to it. So let's say this little picture, why not? So I'll tap on the share, allow, nearby share. As you can see, my OPPO device gets discovered, so now we gotta accept the transfer of this file on the receiver's end. So accept, and now wait until the file gets sent. And here it is. So great success, I guess, already. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks so much for your attention, and bye-bye.